record button is recording? Yep, okay, I see the timer working. Alright guys, this is Jesse. We're here at my homestead. Give you a quick look around. Wow, that's a big mess. I'm sorry guys. We're working on it. My firewood mess. Alright guys, hang on your hats. I'm going to take you inside my crappy trailer. Okay, let me start off real quick. My birthday's on January 13th. We had a free food truck at Valiant Ministries in January on the 17th. That was on Thursday. The following Sunday morning was the 20th. My house water froze solid. See that sheet of plywood right there? It covers up the access hole under the bottom of my trailer. Okay, we're going in, folks. Okay, now remember, I haven't had running water in my house for 2.5 months. We can't use the bathroom. There's no water in the bathroom. There's no water in the kitchen. Normally by this time, all my spring cleaning is done. My walls are washed. My ceilings are scrubbed. Floors are scrubbed. I haven't been able to wash dishes in over a month. I'm surprised my kitchen looks this good. How do you like those cabinets? Wouldn't you like to pay $400 a month for cabinets that you can't use? That's nice, isn't it? No stove, no refrigerator. But hey, it was a place to live. Now comes the fun part. Oh, I gotta show you this. I got chickens last week at the beginning of the month. I got 6 buff Brahmas, light Brahmas. I got 2 black Astrolorps and 3 Jersey Giants, we think. Was supposed to be 5 or 6 Astrolorps, but they didn't have them, so they gave me 5 blackbirds, and I got 7 yellow birds. One was a skinny mini. We think it was a little blonde bantam. She was so much smaller that she just died. The other ones picked on her too much. So we lost one. We had 12. We lost one. Okay, I got to come down here and turn this light on.